So as you can see, our timer's done, our viscosity already hit, so we're ready to take this product out. We do have some products to fold in there, so what I like to do is, I'm a lefty, so I'm going to switch with Angelo here. Allow the product to come out kind of as I fold this in. I also want to turn my refrigeration off. Kind of just fold it in incrementally as it's coming out. I pre-measured all my stuff in this container, which makes it a lot easier to pour it. And I can turn my RPMs up if I want to help push the product out a little bit faster. So the higher speed of the beater will help make the product come out that much faster. If I want it to come out a little bit slower to deal with it, I can either meter how much I'm opening my window, or I could slow my beater speed down. That's about what I'm going to get out. I want to kind of cut it off, fill it up. And here we have about 65–70% overrun. So if I wanted a little bit more overrun, I could have beat it a little bit, I could have froze it a little bit more, but you know, we're going for like super premium here with this Cookie Monster. Again, you could run this at anywhere to 100%, 120% overrun, all the way as low. Our next recipe for success, we're going to be making some gelato, so we could run it actually 30% overrun. The nice part about our machines is we can get whatever you want, you just have to figure out what that is. And the nice part about Sentry is we help you figure out what that is. So last thing I'm going to do is just want to have a nice appearance on the top. I'm going to throw some on there. And as you can see here, we have a beautiful Cookie Monster ice cream ready to serve. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a good one.